Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about what will happen if you pour more oil in the engine. I have a 2 liters engine and the required amount of oil is 5 liters. There's a special dipstick for measure the oil level. There are maximum and minimum marks on the dipstick. The oil level should be in the middle of the mark. If there's more of it, then nothing terrible will happen. It can be promoted from all seals, oil seals, rubber bands, gasket. And if the oil is filled by mistake and unknowingly more, as we had with one car owner, then the engine will go for restoration. Friends, to drain the excess oil, we need a pit to loosen the bolt to change the oil in the engine. Or we need just such a syringe and pump out the required amount of oil in the engine. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.